morning, the Ghana Police Service, the DVLA, the National Road Safety Authority are on the road to ensure that vehicles that use different kinds of lights in addition to their normal lights are taken off. And so far, quite a number of lights have been taken out from vehicles and motorbikes as well as tricycles. We have some of the leadership of the institutions that have embarked on this exercise to explain to us exactly the rationale behind the exercise.
The essence of this is to minimize accidents on our road. The main brain behind this exercise to reduce the carnage on the main walk and the Upper West as a whole.
We are doing what we call sensitization. Many people understand, others don't want to follow the law. We are inspecting these unacceptable lights, checking licenses, checking roadworthiness, and talking to the people to understand why they should comply with the basic rules about driving regulation.
Looking at the auxiliary lights, you see they are causing mayhem on our route, and so we joined the MTTP and the DVLA to remove all these lights that are causing a nuisance on our road. So it's a massive exercise, it's a nationwide exercise that we are doing.
It is very important that as a driver, you need to have your license which is updated so that anytime, anywhere, you will not have any problem with any security personnel.
Because of the small lights, during at night it disturbs a lot. So now that they are doing it, we are happy about it.
According to stakeholders, the exercise has been going on smoothly. The motorists are understanding them, and it is hoped that after this exercise, those who have not been reached out to will ensure that they remove the unauthorized lights that they have added to their vehicles, motorbikes and tricycles, so that the road will become safer for everybody to use. Reporting for GBC News, Swala Abdul Wahab. Wow.